Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Monday Full of Minis, aka Mini Mondays, all that. So the big craze is Tiny Tuesday, or Tinies on Thursdays, or Tuesdays, or whenever you want to do them. And I absolutely love it. I am just launching, I think this is airing Monday, so I think Sunday night I'm putting 2 holiday minis out on my Etsy, and then I'm going to do another little color and save, I think, on my Ko-Fi. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. So I have my minis here, which I am going to revamp some of my minis and get that on my Ko-Fi as soon as I can. I'm just trying to do so many things at once. Wish I had more time. Okay, so this is Let's Be Cheesy Friends from Neen's Budget. I'm going to put her in the 3 spot. Got a little Olympics 2024 from Budget with Tiffany. I'm going to put that in the 1 spot because 1 is going for the gold. We've got our little Nutcracker guy. We only need $2 more to finish this one out, and that'll be $25. And I believe this was Isabel Gigi on Etsy, and I'll put that in the 4 spot. And then, you know him, you love him, Yoga Santa. So we have $4 more we need. Not expecting much because if he sticks around, he totally sticks around, but I'm going to put him in the number 2 spot. And then we've got 2 more of our Olympics, which I actually am changing my mind. I'm going to do this. I'm feeling this vibe. Okay, so it looks crooked in the little viewfinder thing, but that might be my phone. That looks a little better. Okay, so I do not have anything ready. I just jumped right in. Okay, we have our Fancy Dancy dice tower, and no Fancy Dancy dice. Why not? Where's my couch? Here it is. Just kidding. Here's Tina. All right, so we have 6 challenges, 6 minis. I have 1,000 in the wings ready to go. I have $32. I did just film my weekly cash stuffing, which if you haven't watched it yet, grab a drink and a snack because it's long, because apparently Sundays I just like to talk to you guys. So I have $30 that I stuffed, and then I ended up just taking $2 out of the buffer. I wanted to stuff $32. So that's what I'm doing today. So hopefully we can finish, if we can finish something, that'd be great. So I am just going to roll and get started because maybe this will be a very quick video. So, ooh, I'm doing it with my left hand. I don't ever do that. $2 for number 2. Oh my God, was that Yoga Santa? Dude. Okay, sorry, sidetracked. Okay, I don't think I can do it left-handed. Okay, 3 is getting $2. 4 is getting $2. 5 is getting $2. Yoga Santa's done, everybody. Take a moment. Yoga Santa is done. I'm a little sad, but I'm also happy I finished one. 6. Oh my God, this Christmas is done. Okay, so Christmas is done. I may add another one in. Look at that, Olympics. Everything got something. That hasn't happened in a while. Okay, so 5 got $2. 5 got $2 again. 5 again. 2, something for the next one. 4. 2. 2 again. 5. And my last 2 is going to 4. All right. So I will clean this up. I already see this in our future. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. All right. All right, I'm very excited. We finished this one, so we'll pull out another one, but we won't be able to add anything to it. So I'm going to add $2. It should be a total of $25. Let's double check this. We have it going to credit card fees, which needs a little love because that hasn't been getting anything. So let's see if we have 25. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. That is fantastic. Oh my gosh, I'm not prepared. I do have my completed challenge bag here though. It's my, I really want it to be fall bag, but it's still 110 in Vegas. Okay. Oh, that's right. I completed my Liz and Les, but I didn't have, during my live, but I didn't have a paper clip. So I have one here because I'm at my other desk. So I will do this, and I haven't decided what I have another sticker that I finished of hers. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with those. Okay, so this is going in here. Scooch this off to the side. All right, up next, we have our Olympics 2024. This is a freebie from Budget with Tiffany. Breaking news, she is opening an Etsy shop, and we're all anticipating some fun challenges coming from her. Hopefully September. So this should be $20. We got some ones here, so let's see if we finish this one. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have those $4 we'll put to a new one. So let's cross this off and then make sure we have $20 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do we have where this is going? F1, good for me. I love it when I do stuff like that because part of me wants to put everything to debt, but I also want to make sure we're having some fun and saving up for things that mean a lot to us. My husband and I absolutely love watching F1. So I want to make sure we're putting a little bit away for it. So let's see if we have 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yay. Yay for fun things. And yay for Tiffany's freebie. This is so cute. And I got to use it during the Olympics, which was so fun. So that's going to go in here. Little peek. We'll show it at the end because we know we have Christmas, Yogi, Santa. Okay, so this one I don't think we finished, but that's okay. I love soccer. Soccer can stay as long as it wants. This is another one of her Tiffany's Olympic freebies. I think this was the one that she reached. I was going to say 500, but it might be 600. But I don't know. But if you're not following her, I would love for you to go check her out. And there's a bunch of other ladies that they're doing a collab together. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Almost. Okay, so I already went ahead and I should have pulled out other challenges for the 2 we just completed. So I will do this and then go back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we need $3 more from this. I am going to put this in here. And while this money's here, I'm actually just going to pull out some challenges and see what we got. There's so many. There are so many. Okay. Do you want to do a little Harry Potter one? Or do I? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't always whoomp, but when I do, there it is. That's the one I want to do next. And then Got Lemons, Make Lemonade, Bookish Mama Budgets. So those are the 2 I've finished so far, and then 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, beach days are the best days. Okay. I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay, so got lemons, make lemonade. This is $15. I'm going to put this to hair. And then I don't always whoop, but when I do, there it is. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I did $1, it is 21. I'm going to do $1 and it's going to be $21. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do that one for this one. Two, three. I don't know why I can't color in certain things. It just looks terrible. Okay, so we have the Olympics. Boom, there it is. Oh, this is from Save Now, Travel Later. I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you. And she has another one that she's like, something about talking in song lyrics and movie quotes, which I just completely relate to. Yeah, go check out her channel. I'll have it linked below. But I just saw this and I was like, yep, you'd use that. It's a freebie on her. Go to her channel, watch a few videos, hit like, and download this fun. And there's not, like I said, it's 2 to a page. It's super fun. Okay, so let's put this to the side. Lemons. I put hair. I didn't put anything for that. I got too carried away. So this is going to be randomizer. So rando for that, hair for that. So I'm trying to do kind of a cross between randomizer and a specific category. So needs, budget. This gets to stick around for a little bit longer. Love that. So this one only got 2. So cross that one out and add that here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll have her channel linked below too. This was a freebie that she offers as well. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Yoga Santa. Okay, Yoga Santa got a lot. We needed 4, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got $10. So we have $5 to work with. But let's ceremoniously cross off Yoga Santa. Kind of sad. Kind of sad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, is that right? Save 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 6. Okay, that's $6. I was like, how can I have $5 over there? But okay. So this should be 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is. That is going to beauty. Thank you, Yoga Santa. Happily add $20 to my beauty envelope. Oh my God, I haven't been ringing the bell. Maybe I'll just do a 3 ding cha-ching at the end. I think I was so excited to be finished that I did not. Okay, let's see what's going on here with number 1. Number 1 is our Olympics 2024. It also got $2. Use red on that. So we are going to save $30 when we are done. Let's count what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this will be going to personal loan. So we can put this back in the box. And let's see, we put 2 in, we finished 3, so I need 1 more. I think I'm going to do this one. You've reached the age where your bin goes out more than you do, which is 1,000% true. So this is from Weekly Budgets Co. And I'm pretty sure this was a freebie. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So I'm going to use this one. We have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm kind of halfway done. I'm going to make it Well, should I do, maybe I'll do all of them $2. No, I have so many I want to go through, but I want to, okay. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to do $1 and it's going to be 12. And this is not going somewhere, so let's put it to, see, $12 taxes. Because garbage bin, taxes, I don't know. Okay, that's exciting. So, woo. Let's double check. I have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. So I have 97,000 off in the wings ready to go next. So let's, why I needed so many pens, I don't know. Okay, guys, let's ding the cha-ching. Where's my ring light? I don't want my ring light in there. It's going to be in there. Okay, so okay. Perfect. So these 3, so we've got 20, 25, so that's 45 and 20. So that's $65 that I saved today in Monday Minis. So fantastic. Going in here. So now you can see. Now I'll give you another little peek. So this is from, I think from game night and an Alpha Bucks I finished. And yeah, very, very excited about that. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini Monday, and stay tuned for tomorrow. I will have Tiny Tuesday. And then if you can, come join me on my live on Thursday night. Yeah, we have a lot of fun, and it would be great to meet new people, and just, it's a really cool way to kind of meet other people in the community and just people who enjoy watching budget videos. So until next time, take care. Bye.